Something on the roof has your attention. A stain on a ceiling, a slipped tile, or water standing on a flat section. After rain, we repair, replace, and install roofs on Pasadena homes and commercial buildings. A repair rebuilds one defined part of an existing roof. We reset slip tile, patch shingle, and rebuild flashing at walls, chimneys, and valleys. A full replacement strips the covering to the wood deck and renews every layer above it. Older Pasadena streets carry a lot of tile. Clay, concrete, and slate tile rest on underlayment, and that hidden layer does the waterproofing. When the tile is still sound, the work often replaces what sits under it. We keep two documents apart. A quote sets out roofing work we propose to carry out for you, and it is free. A detailed roof inspection with a written report is paid work, written for a buyer, a seller, or an insurer. Which documents a roofing project requires depends on its scope. We help property owners pull the required roofing permit from the city with jurisdiction. Parts of Pasadena sit inside mapped fire hazard severity zones, and that mapping can change what a replacement assembly must satisfy. Call Pasadena Roofing Contractors at 626-240-1360.